Today I'm going to show you how to brighten up the roads on your classic C10 truck. Today we're looking at UPI's 2-position LED headlights that will fit your classic truck with a 7-inch headlight. These LED headlights have a built-in high-low beam with a built-in running light. So let's get installed on our 1970 C10. Alright, so I had to grab a seat since we've lowered our truck to work on our headlight. So we're going to start by taking these 4 screws out of the bezel. They're usually a Phillips, but sometimes with these old trucks, people just change out the screws. Pull your bezel out. All right, to remove the headlight, you got to remove this chrome ring. There's 3 screws, one right here, one at the top, one on the side. And like I said, with the old vehicles, there's actually 2 Phillips and 1 flat blade here. There you go. Once you got them all loose, just hold your headlight so it doesn't fall out. Slide the ring off. Then grab your headlight, pull it out slightly. All right, this truck has some really cheap, poor quality headlights in it. But for really what you need to do is, all you have to do is unplug this harness from the truck. That's the factory plug. Okay guys, before you plug in your headlight, we do have to do a little bit of trimming on our headlight bucket since it is a universal headlight to fit this heat sink. All we're gonna do is, right here, this inside line, we're just gonna cut that little ring out so we can fit the heat sink for the headlight in. Okay, so we got the ring cut out. I just use a plasma cutter. You don't have to use that. You can use a grinder, a hole saw, a body saw, or even a Dremel tool just to cut that ring out. You only have to cut that little bit out, like a ½ inch. Grab the headlight plug, plug it into the factory connection. Then with these 2 wires, these are for the running light. Just send the ground to the body and then the red wire to the low beam so that it runs at the same time. When installing the headlight, there's a label that says top. That's the top of the headlight for the headlight bucket. Slide it into place, then grab your lock ring. Slide the lock ring on, reinstall your screws. Reinstall the trim ring. Put all the screws in by hand and tighten them down. Just lightly tighten them down. Once you tighten it down, repeat the same process on the other side, then your installation is complete. The running light has a nice feature. I love it with the marker lights. It adds a little nice touch to the truck. The LEDs put out a nice output so it brightens up the road while we're driving. Give or take 30 minutes to an hour to install. For this UPI headlight and many other great parts, go to cjponyparts.com.